Hi there, my name's Matthew. I'm from Fintry Development Trust. Development Trust in Fintry. I don't know if you know where it is. It's about 20 miles north of Glasgow. We're probably most well known for entering into a joint venture in a wind farm back in 2007. So we procured a 2.5 megawatt wind turbine, which has been running since then, and we involved in environmental projects in the community, energy efficiency, a lot of renewables, biomass heating, air source heat pumps and so on. And so that initial project has kind of snowballed things, and we've managed to do quite a few good, interesting projects. I'm going to talk about things that we've done with Fintry Sports Club, so it's the sort of main community hub there. The main feature is that it has an indoor bowling green in it, which is used, their season runs basically from September to April, so it's during the winter, and it has a bar and gym and sort of shower facilities and so on as well. So we put in a number of energy saving measures. We reduced we put in low energy lamps in some of the areas in 2011 and fitted motion sensors to a lot of the areas, including the gym, which was a bad idea because somebody was on a treadmill and the lights went out and they stopped running and fell off. So, so we had to disable that one. Yeah, we put in these, and we put in electric savers for water heaters and tin panels. And these things are really good. As one of them there, we managed to find some light tubes which basically direct the sunlight through lenses into the bar area, basically saving on any electricity use as well. It's actually surprising how effective, how much light they provide. They have lots of lenses in them that really distribute the light very well throughout the bar area. And that was funded by ourselves. In 2012 we fitted a wood chip boiler as well to replace the oil-fired central heating, which has done really, really well for the sports club. And they've managed to recoup a lot of money from the savings and the RHI, so they've sort of managed to reinvest some money back into the building, which is great. They got some funding this year from CCF to do quite a few measures, put in double glazing, triple glazing rather, do some external cladding as well. And the bowling hall has 210 bulbs, which were all the T8 50 watt fluorescent bulbs. And they also wanted to improve the quality of lighting because the bowling hall needs an even spread of full good quality light. So they replaced these all with 30 watt LED bulbs, and replaced 50 watt halogen downlights, G10s in the bar area, replaced them with 5 watt LEDs as well. So that was a massive, and we changed the electric immersion in their kitchen over to the wood, connected it to the wood chip boiler as well. So that's the bulb that we replaced. The manufacturer states 50,000 burn hours, although not sure. We'll wait and see if we get there to that. So the savings that we've had just from the lighting only in the bowling hall is being reduced by about 50% just by putting in those LED T8s. So the saving there of about £2,800, saving 6 tonnes of CO2. Capital cost, although we got funding to do it, the capital cost was about £10,500. So payback is under 4 years. I definitely expect the bulbs to last a good 7 or 8 years. So definitely makes great sense for the sports club. And the next thing they plan to do is put in 50 kilowatts of PV on the roof as well. So that's going to be a huge saving for them, because they're using, all those lights are on all day for about 10 or 11 hours every day during the winter months anyway. So the payback is really good for PV. So that's the sort of next thing we're going to do. Yeah, and that's just basically just a brief summary of what we've done and what can be achieved by putting in different lighting measures into a community building, and how it's helped the business and made all those savings are reinvested back into the sports club, which is a charity, and they can then go ahead and reinvest that back into other measures like the PV and so on, and just keep so it's a good model for keeping a rural, sustainable community building or a business going forward, into the coming years, Thanks very much.